I'll share my screen. Okay, so see what we have done in the last lecture. So we had seen that if your function f of x is piecewise continuous on an interval alpha to alpha plus 2 pi, is piecewise continuous on an interval alpha to alpha plus 2 pi and periodic with period 2 pi, then that is f of x plus 2 pi is f of x. Then you can write the Fourier series like f of x, you can write equals to a naught by 2 plus n from 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx, where a naught is क्या था? Anybody remember what was an? A naught, sorry, it was 1 by pi alpha to alpha plus 2 pi f of x dx. An was 1 by pi alpha to alpha plus 2 pi f of x cos of nx dx, and bn was 1 by pi alpha to alpha plus 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. Okay, so this is what we have done till now. And we have seen if alpha is pi, minus pi, then your interval becomes minus pi to pi. And in that case, your a0, a1 and a2, they will be, a1, an and bn will be having formula 1 by pi minus pi to pi, right? F of x dx, and here it will be 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx, and here it will be 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. Okay, so what is the benefit? Minus pi to pi, you know this integral has special properties if the function is even or odd. Okay, we'll come to that part later. Okay, so and we have done one problem, that how to write the Fourier series of a function. Now suppose this was your interval alpha to alpha plus 2 pi. Okay, so the interval till now was alpha to alpha plus 2 pi. If your interval is, so today's class will say if your interval is minus L to L, मतलब pi involved नहीं है, right? So you are saying fx is piecewise continuous on the interval minus L to L and periodic with period 2L. That is f of x plus 2L is f of x. Right. In that case, the series becomes again a naught by 2 n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L plus bn sin n pi x by L. Okay, where 2L f of x dx, an is 1 by L minus L to L f of x cos n pi x by this is how these formulas will be modified. These are your Euler's formulas. Is that okay? So let us look at this problem. Find the Fourier series of the function. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you please scroll up?
Yes, beta, sure. Any doubt?
No, ma'am. अभी तक तो नहीं. मैम हो गया.
Done? Find the Fourier series of the function f of x is equal to minus k for minus 2 less than x less than 0 and k for 0 less than equal to x less than is equal to 2. Right? So this is a function given to you and you are asked to write the Fourier series of this function. So you see what kind of function this is. If you try to plot it, so minus 2 to 0, your function is minus k. K is constant. So this is like this, right? Minus k. And for 0 to 2, your function is k. Right? So it's like this. Open here, open it. Fine. And periodic it is not given. You are asked to write the Fourier series expansion of only this function. And this function is defined in the interval minus 2 to 2. So what you can do is, you can assume that this is periodic function. So it is everywhere defined like this. So you can extend this function. And then whatever is the corresponding function, you can write the Fourier series expansion. And in particular, in this interval, that Fourier series expansion will match. Is that okay, beta? So if it is not given that the function is periodic, but it is given only in the interval minus L to L, which in this case is minus 2 to 2. So you can assume that your function is actually periodic and defined on whole real line. And then you write the Fourier series of that function on the whole real line. So in particular, your function, this was your function, this much, right? So it is matching with the original function on the, with the extended function on the interval minus 2 to 2. So you don't have to write these things in the exam. You can just, but it should be clear in your mind that what you are doing. Is that okay, beta? So let us write down the Fourier series of this function. So you'll say the Fourier series will be a naught by 2 n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L plus bn sin n pi x by L. L here is 2. Therefore, your f of x will be a naught by 2 plus n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by 2 plus bn sin n pi x by 2, where a naught is 1 by L, which is 1 by 2 minus L to L f of x dx. Clear, beta? Now your function is defined from minus 2 to 0 and 0 to 2 differently. So you will break this intervals. This is 1 by 2 minus 2 to 0. The value of the function is minus k. And from 0 to 2, the value of the function is k. So this is 1 by 2 k outside. So this will be minus x, minus 2 to 0. This will be plus x, 0 to 2. How much is this? This is 0, right? So you can see this is 0. So a naught is your 0. Now let us look at an. An is 1 by L minus L to L f of x cos n pi x by 2 dx. So again you will break it. So this is 1 by 2, 0 to minus 2 to 0. F of x is value minus k cos n pi x by 2 dx plus 0 to 2. The value is plus k cos n pi x by 2 dx. Clear, beta? Now you just integrate, you'll get this. You can check this is 0. Okay? Everything will cancel. Now look at bn. Bn again is 1 by 2. I'm writing from here. 1 by 2 minus k sine n pi x by 2 dx from minus 2 to 0 plus k 0 to 2 k sine n pi x by 2 dx. Everybody is with me? You are getting what I'm doing, beta? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now integrate minus sine n pi x. It will be cos n pi x by 2 divided by n pi x by 2. Limit from minus 2 to 0. Plus here you will get minus cos n pi x by 2 divided by n pi by 2, 0 to 2. So this will be, when you'll put 0, you'll get n pi by 2 you can bring outside. When you'll put 0, you'll get a 1. Then you'll put minus 2. So you get minus cos of minus n pi. Okay. And here, when you'll put 2, you'll get cos n pi. When you'll put 0, you'll get minus. Right. So what is this? This is 2 and 2 will cancel. K by n pi. So 1 plus 1, 2. So what is this? This is cos n pi. This is also cos n pi, both negative. Cos minus theta is cos theta. So minus 2 cos of n pi. So this is 2 outside, 2k by n pi. 1 minus, what is cos n pi? Can anybody tell me?
Minus sin n pi by n.
Minus 1 की पावर n ना बेटा, cos n pi. अगर n इवन होगा इसकी वैल्यू 1 होगी, है ना? अगर n ऑड होगा तो इसकी वैल्यू -1 होगी ना. cos यहाँ पे 1 होता है, यहाँ पे -1 होता है cos की वैल्यू, है ना? So this is cos n pi for n even. This is cos n pi for n odd. Clear? So हमारी सीरीज क्या बन गई? Series is a naught 0, a n 0 है, b n, n from 1 to infinity b n. This is b n, 2k by n pi, 1 minus -1 raised to power n sin n pi x by 2. Right? So you can open it further. This is constant, pi is constant. So 2k by pi outside. Inside when n is 1, n 1 होगा तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? n 1 होगा तो ये 2 बन जाएगा ना. 2 sin n pi x by 2. जब n 2 होगा ये 0 हो जाएगा. जब n 3 होगा तब ये फिर 2 बन जाएगा. ये n 1 है, यहाँ पे n 3 है. So you can leave your answer here also. But this is the series. This is how the series looks like. Okay, beta? So what you are doing, you have this function k minus k and k from -2 less than x less than 0, 0 less than x less than 2. You are approximating this function with this infinite series. Understood, beta? जैसे हमने Taylor's लिखा था. You can approximate. Here we are approximating the function with sine and cos. There we were approximating the function with polynomials. यहाँ तक clear है बेटा सबको? So interval alpha to alpha plus 2 pi, and when your interval is minus pi to pi, and when your interval is minus L to L. So you should know these three things till now. Okay. Now let us look at further thing. Next is, यहाँ तक किसी को doubt बेटा? Please ask if you have any doubt till here. Okay. Now further, suppose your interval is minus pi to pi और minus L to L. मतलब basically आप ये वाला ही फॉर्मूला याद रखो. अगर minus pi to pi हुआ तो L आपका pi हो गया है ना. इस केस में आपकी जो सीरीज बनती है a naught by 2 n from 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by L. अगर L pi हो गया तो वो pi pi कैंसिल हो जाएगा, nx रह जाएगा. तो you don't have to remember it separately. अगर आपको ये याद है, वैसे तो वो याद ही हो जाती है. Is that okay बेटा? So let us just assume कि आपका interval जो है वो minus L to L है. Okay? So whenever your interval is from minus L to L, your interval is from minus L to L and function is even. F of x is even. Even का क्या मतलब है बेटा? Can you tell me what is an even function?
F of x is equal to f of minus x.
है ना कि अगर आप x को minus x से रिप्लेस कर दो तो आपका सेम रहेगा फंक्शन. तो ज्योमेट्रिकली व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ फंक्शन व्हिच इज सिमेट्रिक अबाउट y एक्सिस, है ना? सिमेट्रिक अबाउट y एक्सिस. So whenever your function is even, उस केस में आपकी फूरियर सीरीज क्या बन जाएगी? Whenever your function is even, suppose you have a function f of x and interval is minus L to L. So you will say my Fourier series will be a naught by 2 n from 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by L plus b n sin n pi x by L. Now what is a naught? A naught is f of x dx from minus L to L. ये आपका इवन फंक्शन है, so you can write it as 1 by L is also there. So you can write it as minus L to L even function is 2 by L 0 to L f of x dx. लिख सकते हैं ना बेटा? This property is known to everybody. And what will be your an? An will be 1 by L minus L to L f of x cos of n pi x by L dx. Now you see, this is an even function and this is cos is also an even function. Product of two even function is an even function. So again this integrand is a even function. So this is equal to 2 by L 0 to L f of x cos n pi x by L dx. And what will be Bn? Anybody? What will be your Bn? कोई बता सकता है? Anybody? Am I audible? Ashima, am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, can anybody tell me, beta, ये क्या होगा? ये even function है. Sin क्या होता है? What is sin? Odd function है ना? ये even है और sin odd है. Even और odd को multiply करते हैं तो odd आता है ना? So if you have a function from minus alpha to alpha, odd function, integral क्या होता है? 0. So this will be 0. Clear? So whenever your function is even,
मैम एक मिनट ऊपर स्क्रॉल अप कीजिएगा थोड़ा सा, बस मैम. हो गया मैम, थैंक यू.
okay. So whenever function is even, so you can straight away write the Fourier series as a naught by 2 n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L. Bn आपका 0 होगा. So you will have only cos functions involved. Okay, where a naught you can write as 2 by L minus L to 0 to L f of x dx, and an is 2 by L 0 to L f of x cos n pi x by L dx. तो आपकी मर्जी है जो फॉर्मूला यूज करना है, बट bn अगर कंप्यूट भी करोगे तो भी 0 आएगा. So you can save some calculations if you know that function is even, whenever your function is even. Is that okay? So obviously it is coming from the original series itself. तो अगर आप पूरी calculations करोगे then also you will get this series. उसमें bn 0 आएगा, but you can save yourself some time if you use this information that whenever the function is even, only cos terms will be there and this constant term will also be there. किसी को doubt इसमें? Clear है ये चीज? Is this thing clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next is when your function is odd. If f of x is odd, interval आपका वही है minus L to L. Odd का क्या मतलब है? कि f of minus x will be minus of f of x. तो geometrically you are saying कि अगर आपने x को minus x कर दिया तो यहाँ से यहाँ पहुंच जाओगे. So symmetry about origin. Odd function is symmetric about origin. Okay, so first और third quadrant में same graph बनेगा, second और fourth quadrant में same graph बनेगा. ठीक है, और even function में symmetry about y axis होती है, मतलब जो भी left पे graph है वही right पे graph होता है. So whenever your function is odd, so again let us see, we are writing its Fourier series a naught by 2 n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L plus bn sin n pi x by L. Okay, so what is your a naught? A naught is 1 by L minus L to L f of x dx. Now this function here is odd. So what is this? 0. है ना? 0 odd function integrating from minus L to L will give you a 0. And then you have an. An is 1 by L minus L to L f of x cos n pi x by L dx. Now you look at this. This here is your odd function. This here is your even function. So this is an odd function. This is an even function. When you multiply an odd with an even function, you will get an odd function. So again, you are integrating an odd function from minus L to L. So you'll get a 0. And similarly, Bn 1 by L minus L to L f of x sine n pi x by L dx. So this here is odd function. This here is an odd function. So multiplication will be an even function. So this integral is not 0. This is 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x sine n pi x by L dx. So whenever your function is odd, a naught will be 0 and an will be 0. Only bn will be non-zero. So you can use this information that for an odd function, f of x on the interval minus L to L, you can write f of x as summation n from 1 to infinity bn sine n pi x by L, where bn is 1 by L, 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x sine n pi x by L. Is this thing clear, beta? देखो यहाँ तक किसी को doubt? After that, we'll practice some questions.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so let us practice some questions. Find the Fourier series of f of x is equal to x square minus 2 less than equal to x less than is equal to 2. Okay. So now look at this function. F of x is equal to x square. What kind of function is this? So it is always a good practice that whenever you are going to write a Fourier series and your interval is of the form minus L to L. अगर इस form का नहीं है फिर नहीं चलेगा. So make sure that this Fourier series is only when your interval is from minus L to L. क्योंकि तभी वो definite integrals की property use कर पा रहे हैं हम. So whenever your function is given on the interval minus L to L and you are asked to find out the Fourier series of that function, so always check whether the function is even or odd. अगर even odd नहीं है, then obviously you will write. ऐसे functions भी होते हैं ना जो ना even है ना odd है, तो आपको पूरी series लिखनी है. अगर even या odd में से कुछ है, तो आपको पता है कि कुछ series miss हो जाएगी. So here you see, this is an even function, right? F of minus x is equal to minus x का square, which is x square, which is f of x. So this is an even function, right? So the Fourier series will be, therefore, f of x will be a naught by 2 plus n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L. L कितना है? 2. L here is 2. Clear? Bn 0 होगा because Bn is 0 because your function is even function on minus L to L. So now you just compute a naught and an. So a naught is 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x dx. So this is 2 by 2, 0 to 2, x square dx. So this is x cube by 3, 0 to 2. So this is 8 by 3. So a naught is 8 by 3. So an is 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x, which is x square, cos n pi x by 2 dx. Now you have to integrate. So integration के formulas आपको सारे पता होने चाहिए. Right? Now you can integrate it by parts, right? सबको पता है ना? So I'm doing that. First function, integration of second function, sine n pi x by 2 divided by n pi by 2. So do you remember this rule that you keep on differentiating this function and integrating this function with an alternative sign? So next will be minus, derivative of this function is 2x, integral of this function is minus cos of n pi x by 2 divided by n square pi square by 4 plus derivative of this function, which is 2 integration of this function, which is minus sine n pi x by 2 divided by n cube pi cube by 8. क्लियर बेटा? इंटीग्रेशन सारी आपको यूज होगी जो आपने अभी तक पढ़ी है. 2 and 2 will cancel. So this is your an. Now just put the values. देखो सबसे पहले 2 पुट करेंगे. जब 2 इसमें पुट करेंगे साइन n पाई क्या होता है? 0. और जब 0 पुट करेंगे तो भी ये 0. So this term gone. है ना, जब लिमिट्स पुट करोगे. सिमिलरली ये वाली टर्म भी गॉन है जब लिमिट्स पुट करोगे, क्योंकि साइन n पाई 0 होता है, साइन 0 0 होता है. So only you are left with this term, right? So this, what is this term? This is 4 ऊपर आ जाएगा 8 by n square pi square. I'm writing it outside. Inside you have n minus minus plus x cos of n pi x by 2 0 to 2. Clear? Now when you put a 2, जब 2 put करोगे so you'll get 2 cos of n pi, right? Minus जब 0 put करोगे तो 0 आएगा. 8 n square pi square. So what is this? This is 16 n pi square into minus 1 raised to power n. This is minus 1 raised to power n. Clear? So this is your an. A naught is 8 by 3. Therefore, Fourier series is 8 by 3 a naught by 2 plus n from 1 to infinity an is here 16 by n square pi square minus 1 raised to power n cos of n pi x by l. L is 2. So you can write it as, this is your 4 by 3 plus 16 n pi square will be outside, summation n from 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to power n square cos of n pi x by 2. So this is the Fourier series expansion of the given function. Any doubts, beta? So you get here, you see, this series is 4 by 3 plus 16 by pi square. What is this series? ये है minus 1 put करोगे minus cos pi x by 2. फिर आप 2 put करोगे, that will be 1 by 2 square cos pi x. फिर 3 put करोगे, that will be minus 1 by 3 square cos 3 pi x by 2 and so on. This is the Fourier series of x square. Now if you put x is equal to 0, if you put x is equal to 0, what you will get? ये क्या बन जाएगा? Cos 0 is 1 ना? So this is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square. Sorry, पहले में 1 by 2 नहीं आएगा ना, सिर्फ minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square minus 1 by 5 square and so on. 16 by pi square plus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. यहाँ से आप इस सीरीज की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हो. So what is this series? नेगेटिव साइन आउटसाइड ले लो. So 16 by pi square 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square minus 1 by 5 square is equal to 4 by 3. So यहाँ से आपके पास क्या वैल्यू आ गई? इस सीरीज की 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square. This is equal to pi square by 12. Now you see, using Fourier series, you can find out the sum of series. Do you remember? We have seen this series in the Maths 1 course, but there we were just able to find out whether this is a convergent series or not. We were not able to find out the sum. So not for every series, but for some series we can find out the sum using Fourier series. With the help of Fourier series, we can find out the sum of infinite series. Understood, beta? यहाँ पे मैंने x is equal to 0 put किया है. Maybe x is equal to something else you put, you will get some other series. यहाँ पे कुछ और put करके देखिए, कोई और series आ जाएगी. Is that okay, beta? Clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And okay, let us do one more problem. ये वाले formulas आपको integral के याद हैं? ये use होंगे. ये आपको याद होगा e raised power ax sin bx. Anybody? ये क्या होता है? याद रखना है. कर सकते हो by parts. E raised power ax a square plus b square a sin bx माइनस बी कॉस बी एक्स। करा हुआ ना ये फॉर्मूला। ऐसे ई रेस पावर ए एक्स कॉस ऑफ बी एक्स डी एक्स, दिस इज ई रेस पावर ए एक्स ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर a cos of bx plus b sin of bx. Okay, so I'll do one problem. Write the Fourier series of sine hyperbolic x. Find Fourier series of sine hyperbolic x in the interval minus pi to pi. ठीक है बेटा? So write down what is sine hyperbolic x. This is e raised power x minus e raised power minus x by 2. So can you, this is your f of x. What will be f of minus x? मैंने बताया ना कि whenever your interval is from minus L to L, first of all you will check whether it is an even function or odd function. So f of minus x will be e raised power minus x minus e raised power plus x by 2, which is minus e raised power x minus e raised power minus x by 2, which is minus sine hyperbolic x. So this is minus f of x. So what you get, that f of minus x is minus f of x. Therefore, odd function. This is an odd function. अगर odd function है तो Fourier series will look like, odd function की Fourier series बताइए बेटा क्या था? a naught 0 होगा, an 0 होगा, तो Fourier series will look like bn sin of n pi x by L. कितना है यहाँ pi? n from 1 to infinity. Okay, so your series will look like n from 1 to infinity bn sin nx, right? Where what is your bn? Bn is 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. Okay, now this is the only coefficient which you have to compute. So let us compute this coefficient. What is this? This is 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x is e raised power x minus e raised power minus x by 2 sin nx dx. So what is this? This is 1 by pi 0 to pi e raised power x sin nx dx plus, sorry, minus 0 to pi e raised power minus x sin nx dx. Okay beta, now you can use the formulas. क्या था formula? e raised power ax sin bx dx is e raised power ax a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx. So देखिए यहाँ पे क्या बन जाएगा. This is 1 by pi 0 to pi e raised power, sorry, इंटीग्रल क्या होगा ये इंटीग्रल? ये यूज करो e raised
मैम
power
एक मिनट
x.
ऊपर सोच कीजिएगा
हाँ जी
मैम
बेटा.
थोड़ा सा बस मैम यहाँ पे मैम sin nx है या sin pi x है?
n ना बेटा, ये देखिए
ओके ओके
ये देखिए n पाई x बाई l होता है ना, l यहाँ पे पाई है, पाई पाई कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो nx बचेगा.
ठीक है
क्लियर? सो ये n है, अदरवाइज ये पाई हो गया, फिर तो n का कोई फैक्टर ही नहीं रहा बेटा, है ना? so bn में n होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज तो देयर इज नो पॉइंट.
हाँ जी मैम हो गया क्लियर मैम.
फाइनली चाहे ना आए, ठीक है ना. तो इसका इंटीग्रल देखिए बेटा, e रेज़ पावर x, a कितना है 1, b कितना है n. ओके, अंदर a 1 है sin nx माइनस n cos nx. क्लियर? ये फॉर्मूला यूज किया मैंने इसको लिखने के लिए. 0 to pi टोटल माइनस इसमें a माइनस 1 है, b n है. दिस इज e रेज़ पावर माइनस x 1 प्लस n स्क्वायर, a माइनस 1 है, दिस विल बी माइनस sin nx माइनस n cos ऑफ nx. मतलब कैलकुलेशंस आपको करनी पड़ेंगी. दे आर, मतलब बच्चों को फ्रीयर में सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन में लगता है कि मैम हमारी कैलकुलेशन गलत होगी. सो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस देन ओनली, अदरवाइज अगर आप सोचोगे कि मैं कर लूंगा वहां कैलकुलेशंस तो आप फंस जाओगे. ठीक है, तो कैलकुलेशन आपको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. अब पुट कीजिए वैल्यूज. 1 by pi इज आउटसाइड, पहले पाई पुट कीजिए. जब पाई पुट करोगे क्या आ जाएगा? e रेज़ पावर पाई, राइट, 1 प्लस पाई स्क्वायर sin n pi is 0. Okay, और cos n pi is this will be minus n minus 1 raised to power n. और जब 0 पुट करोगे जब 0 पुट करोगे ये 1 हो जाएगा, नीचे 0 स्क्वायर, ओके, ये 0 हो जाएगा और ये क्या हो जाएगा, -n। क्लियर, यही आ रहा ना। नेक्स्ट टर्म में देखिए, नेगेटिव आउटसाइड, इसके अंदर देखिए जब पाई पुट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, e रेज़ पावर माइनस पाई 1 प्लस पाई स्क्वायर, पाई पुट करोगे ये 0 हो जाएगा, ये क्या हो जाएगा, -n -1 की पावर n, और जब 0 पुट करोगे नेगेटिव साइन के साथ ये 1 हो जाएगा, 1 प्लस, सॉरी यहाँ ये n है ना, सॉरी मैं पाई लिख रही हूँ बेटा, सॉरी ये n है, ठीक है, ये हर जगह n ही रहेगा, n स्क्वायर 0 पुट करोगे और ऊपर आपका क्या हो जाएगा, ये 0 और ये -n, ओके। ये क्या है, 1 2 3 माइनस और यहाँ 2 माइनस, ये और ये टर्म कैंसिल हो जाएगी, राइट। सो यू विल बी लेफ्ट विद 1 बाय पाई, n स्क्वायर बाहर निकाल लो, 1 बाय पाई 1 प्लस n स्क्वायर e रेज़ पावर पाई, n भी बाहर आ जाएगा एक, है ना, -1 की पावर n भी बाहर आ जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे बचेगा माइनस e रेज़ पावर पाई और यहाँ पे प्लस e रेज़ पावर माइनस पाई। क्लियर, इज दैट ओके बेटा, कहीं गड़बड़ तो नहीं कैलकुलेशन में। ये आपका एक, जो आप 0 पुट करोगे, चेक कर लेना एक बार, ठीक है। सो कैलकुलेशन एक बार चेक करोगे, सो दिस इज योर bn, so your final series will be summation n from 1 to infinity bn sin nx, ठीक है, this is your f of x, where this is your bn। आ गया समझ बेटा, किसी को डाउट यहाँ तक? So I am giving you some problems, you will do it yourself। Write the Fourier series of the following function। एक मैं दे रही हूँ आपको, सब में इंटरवल -पाई टू पाई है। पहला है x प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर, दूसरा है मॉड ऑफ कॉस ऑफ x, तीसरा है कॉस हाइपरबोलिक x, साइन हाइपरबोलिक की हमने लिख ली है, और एक लोगे आप मॉड ऑफ साइन x। ये चारों की फूरियर सीरीज लिखोगे आप ऑन द इंटरवल -पाई टू पाई। देखो बेटा यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट, प्लीज लेट मी नो इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट टिल नाउ। है बेटा किसी को डाउट? Am I audible? Okay. So the next thing is when your interval is alpha to beta, क्योंकि जनरली हो सकता है कि आपका इंटरवल ऐसे ना दिया हो -L to L। So if your interval is alpha to beta जनरल, तो इस केस में हम क्या करते हैं, we will treat it as alpha और इसको हम एज्यूम करेंगे अल्फा प्लस 2L, है ना, जैसे आपको मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बताया था अल्फा टू अल्फा प्लस 2 पाई वाला इंटरवल, उस फॉर्म का बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे, बट ऑब्वियसली 2 पाई नहीं होगा, 2L होगा। So what you will do here in this case, put beta is equal to alpha plus 2L, तो L अपने आप निकल जाएगा बीटा माइनस अल्फा बाय 2, राइट। So your interval will become अल्फा टू अल्फा प्लस 2L। क्लियर, बीटा को बस आपने ये पुट कर दिया, वहां से L की वैल्यू निकल गई और इंटरवल आपका क्या बन गया, अल्फा टू अल्फा प्लस 2L। So Fourier series will become, Fourier series क्या बन जाएगी बेटा, f of x will be a0 by 2 plus an n from 1 to infinity cos n pi x by L, राइट। और आपका जो bn है, जस्ट मिनट, plus bn, yes, same, n pi x by l, right? And your a naught will be 1 by l, alpha to alpha plus 2l, f of x dx. Your an will be 1 by l, alpha to alpha plus 2l, f of x cos n pi x by l dx. And your bn will be 1 by l, alpha to alpha plus 2l, f of x sin n pi x by l dx. Formulas, they are same. The only thing is आपने बीटा को alpha plus 2l लिखना है, and from there you will find out your l. Okay, so अभी मैं करके दिखाती हूँ आपको. For example, suppose you are given write Fourier series expansion of f of x is equal to x square on the interval 3 to 7 में भी ऐसा दिया हुआ है. ठीक है बेटा, इंटरवल अब किसी भी फॉर्म का नहीं है जो मैंने पहले बताया है. आपने इससे पहले कौन कौन से इंटरवल किए? अल्फा टू अल्फा प्लस 2 पाई, माइनस पाई टू पाई, माइनस l टू l, राइट? अब इसमें आप क्या करोगे, या फिर इसमें आप क्या करोगे? 7 को you will write as 3 plus 2l. So you want to convert this interval in this form. कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हम, कन्वर्ट नहीं कर रहे, बस l की वैल्यू फाइंड कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ से आपके पास l कितना आ जाएगा? 2 आ जाएगा बेटा. 7 minus 3 by 2. L is your 2. Okay, so your L is 2. So your, therefore Fourier series becomes, तो आप क्या कह रहे हो? आप ये कह रहे हो कि 3 to 7 में फंक्शन आपको दिया हुआ है और आपका L 2 है मतलब, और 2L पीरियोडिक है मतलब 7 से लेके 11 तक जो भी बिहेवियर यहाँ है वही यहाँ है, वही यहाँ है. दिस इज व्हाट यू आर assuming, right बेटा? So Fourier series will become a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by l is your 2 plus bn sin n pi x by 2, where a naught is 1 by l 3 to 7 f of x, which is your x square dx. An is 1 by l 3 to 7. This is your alpha and this is your alpha plus 2l. X square cos n pi x by 2 dx, and your bn will be 1 by l 3 to 7 x square sin n pi x by 2 dx. Is this thing clear बेटा? ये चीज क्लियर है सबको? ये कैलकुलेशंस कर लेना बेटा कि ये क्या आएगा, ये क्या आएगा. Right. So I'll just give you one homework example more and then I'll stop. Fourier series of f of x is equal to 1 plus mod of x on the interval minus 3 to 3. This is you have to write down. Okay, beta? Answer in this case will be 5 by 2 plus n from 1 to infinity 6 by n square pi square minus 1 raised to power n minus 1 cos of nx. This is your answer. Okay. So tomorrow we'll be starting with the next topic. Fourier में ही next topic, Fourier half range series. किसी को doubt बेटा? Still we have 2-3 minutes. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay बेटा. If you don't have any doubts, have you noted? Note कर दिया सबने? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है बेटा. Thank you. Have a nice day, everybody.